Namaskarams. I am Kesav Murthy from Coimbatore. I am an HR cum educational consultant. I am a teacher too. In this video, we will look at a chapter called Clocks. This chapter comes under mental ability test area, and questions on clocks appear in most of the competitive exams such as NTSC, bank exam, TNPSC, GRE, etc. Now let us look at the fundamentals of this clock chapter, and then we'll take one example and try to solve the one problem. Okay, a clock, a clock has got two hands. Actually, it has got three hands. One is the hour hand, another one is the minute hand, and in one more is second hand. But here, for our problem or mathematics, we are considering only two hands, hour hand and the minute hand. Normally, the question asked will be, they will give you a time. Let's say 3 hours 20 minutes is the time. So at that time, what is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand? They may ask such questions. Before jumping into the question, let us understand some theory behind this. The hour hand in a clock, it will make a full circle in 12 hours. That is, it will cover 360 degree in 12 hours. So from that we can deduce hour hand will cover 30 degree angle in 1 hour. Minute hand, it will cover 360 degree in 60 minutes. It means it will cover 6 degree angle in 1 minute. If we know this fundamental, then we can solve any type of problem in the clock. Now let us go to the problem. The problem is we have to find the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand when the time is 3 hours 20 minutes. Here the minute hand is given 20 minutes. So the minute hand will cover 20 into 6, 120 degree it will cover. The hour hand, then hours is given as 3 hours 20 minutes. We can write this as 320 by 60 hours or 3 1 by 3 hour. That is equal to 10 by 3 hours. In 1 hour, it will cover 30 degrees. So in 10 by 3 hours, it will cover 100 degree. That is 10 by 3 into 30, that gives 100 degree. So if you subtract this 100 from that 120, you get 20 degree. So the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand when the time is 3 hours 20 minutes is 20 degree. When the time is at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. or 6 a.m., then what is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand? The angle between the hour hand and the minute hand will be 180 degree. If the time is exactly 3 p.m., then the angle between the hour and the minute hand will be 90 degree. Similarly, if the time is 9 a.m. or 9 p.m., the angle between the hour and the minute hand will be 90 degree. Here we will be considering only the acute angle. The angle which is less than 180 only will be considered. No, the problem will always, they will ask what is the acute angle between the hour hand and the minute hand. So once you know this fundamental that the hour hand covers 30 degree in 1 hour and the minute hand covers 6 degree in 1 hour, 6 degree angle in 1 hour, then with this fundamental you can solve any problem on clocks without any difficulty. I hope you understand this video and you like this video. If you like this video, you share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will meet you with another video on another subject very soon.